Welcome back to BHM University. My name is Nate with Broadway Home Medical, and today we're going to be unboxing the iRide 2 by Pride Mobility. Now that we have the box open, let's go ahead and take the scooter out. The scooter weighs a lot more on this end because we have the batteries and the motors on this end. We have the seat, and we have the charger and the owner's manual. All right, let's get it out of the bag now. We're gonna go ahead and cut it. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead and loosen this tiller right here so that I can bring the handlebar up. Next thing to do is go ahead and tighten it up so that it'll stay in place. And that's to keep it out of the way of the seat. Now we're going to go ahead and take the seat out of the plastic. The seat has this long post on it. This post is going to go right down in this post slot right here. Now that we have the seat in position, we'll go ahead and tighten this piece up here and fold that down. Now we must plug the scooter into the battery, just like that. Undo the tape and flip it on, and then we can turn it on. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about the charger. The charger has a port that looks just like the plug-in on the scooter. To charge your battery for the scooter, like I said, it looks just like the plug-in on the actual scooter. We're just going to plug into the wall, and then we're going to plug in to that slot, just like that. And then when you're ready to go, we'll just plug the scooter back in, turn it back on, and you're good to go. And that concludes our unboxing of the iRide 2 from Pride Mobility. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these. And as always, thank you for watching BHM University.